Hi there, Josh here with Evergreen Tutorials, here to show you how to use the second function. First thing we're going to do is just click in a cell, type in equals, second, left parenthesis, it's going to prompt us for a serial number, also known as a time, date, whatever. I'm going to put in now, which calls a function of the current time, and I get that it's the 26th second of the minute. I can type in anything anywhere else, and it will automatically change this because it's the now function. If I put in a static time, that number would not change. Moving on down here, let's figure out what this serial number is. A serial number in Excel can be one of many things. Here we have a formatted time, so 5:53:31 a.m. Over here I have the serial number, which is the actual serial number. So on the left is the days, it's counting days constantly, and on the right is the decimal. This is the part of the day. This is how much of the day has passed. And over here we have another date format. And all of these are actually the now function, and we go down here and we get second, parenthesis now, same function as before, and we get that. And this number will automatically change each time you click in a cell. Scrolling on down here, let's explain clock time a little bit more. So the day starts at 0, and as it progresses, it finally gets to 1. When the clock strikes midnight, it hits 1 and rolls back over to 0. So 1 in the morning is 0.04, and 7 p.m. is going to be 0.79. As the day progresses, that's how it does. Moving on over here, I have a list of 200 meters men's records from my school, and I have a name, I have a time, this is the time they ran it. I can put in the second function here, equals second, left parenthesis, and I'm going to click here to reference that cell, close that parenthesis, and it will return to us 50. It actually rounds up from 49.88. And I'm going to select the green rectangle here and just drag and fill that through the rest of my data. So here we have the second of each of these times. And a great way to work with this is go up to your conditional formatting, color scales, and there we go. We can see who's fast and who's slow very easily with this function. I'm Josh here with Evergreen Tutorials, and now you have an idea of how to use the second function in Excel 2016. If you have any questions, please comment below. We'll get back to you. If you like this video, please subscribe for other educational content, new videos daily. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.